So before we move to themes, which I know I said was the next video, I did mention in the previous video that there would be the ability to conditionally style elements, and I wanted to go over that really quick. So I just thought, what if one of these line items was rendered invalid, no longer applied? So I'm just going to create, I'm going to add a new prop. It's going to be a Boolean. It's going to be invalid. And I'm going to go on over to the styles components here. So we have access to props again, the same way we do with any of these. So in this case, I have invalid. I'm destructuring that from props. I'm checking to the value here. And if we have it, I'm adding a JSX element here. So this is just sort of a self-contained conditional for housing additional styles. So for the input, which is I'm referencing via this SAS, and for the span, because these are both sort of related in the same element, I'm just going to say the opacity is really low. So when this reloads, there we go. This is an invalid element. Now, all cards on the table, this would be better served in the label as its own component here, since it's wrapping both the input and the span, and you could handle that all together. And in fact, even if you were to add like pointer events none or disable pointer events, because of this input is being wrapped in the label, this will still check, which is not something we want, and could be handled a little bit differently, but something to keep in mind that props are available in this way to style elements conditionally. So you could see that this could be helpful if you want to style, have one input to handle radios and checkboxes, but obviously those need some different styles, or you want conditional styles for type is text, type is text area, type is select control, etc. So I think this would be something worth looking into to try to keep your code as tight and as reusable as possible.